Okay, we have a 1955 Chevy Pickup. It is a 3/4 ton with an extra heavy-duty suspension, so it's actually a 1-ton pickup truck. Found this thing in a farmer's field. Picked it up earlier this year. As you can see, has a lot of surface rust. Tailgate's pretty bad shape there, but all in all, cab corners, fenders, things like that can be replaced. Had a straight 6-cylinder engine in it. I went ahead and pulled it out and installed a 1959 Chevy 348W motor, which is fairly rare. And there's the W motor, pretty original, air cleaner. You can see the W heads on it. Has the original generator in the truck. And let's go ahead and see if she'll fire up for us. Very good.